my loves, my name is Gianna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Valentine's Day! And you're probably watching this video because you're like, man, Valentine's Day is coming up and I really want to do something nice for either my friend, best friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, but I don't know what to get them. And, you know, with the economy nowadays, it's really expensive and I don't know what I can do for this commercialized holiday that won't break the bank. Well, I am the perfect person because I like to shop cheap but nice. So today's video is how to make a last-minute DIY Valentine's Day basket for your girlfriend, boyfriend, best friend, whoever it may be. This basket right here is for my best friend for like a Galentine's Day because I'm single, I have nobody, and she's single and she has nobody. And it's just fun because even though Valentine's Day, it's mainly associated with couples, it also is just for people that you appreciate. And I love just giving and making cute little stuff like this in little baskets. So I made her this little Galentine's Day basket, which it's not a lot, but it will at least bring a smile to her face, I hope. So I am going to show you guys how to make this cute little Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day basket for cheap. Okay everyone, so here are some of the materials that you're going to need. You're going to want to run to your local Dollar Tree or Five Below for some of these things, Walmart, anything like that. Starting off, I picked out this cute heart basket from Dollar Tree. I got these cute heart-shaped lights for $1.25 from there as well. Obviously grab some batteries and some tape while you're at it. They come 10 in a pack, and what I did was I just put them around the basket and taped them so they looked cute for the outside. Next, I took some decorative shred that I got from Dollar Tree and filled the basket. Her favorite animal is a pug, and she has 2 pugs, so I got her this little pug plushie I found from Five Below. No basket's complete without candy, so I got her some gummy bears and a Hershey's Symphony bar, her current favorite. Then I found this cute bear flower decoration that I thought would just look cute in the basket. She absolutely adores ducks, so I got her this duck cup from Five Below. Me and her have a joke with the sad hamster, so I got her this. Along with an elf lip oil because she loves makeup. She's a really talented makeup artist, and she absolutely adores Jeffree Star's makeup. These were on sale for $1 each, so I got her that and a Burt's Bees chapstick to go with it because she loves those. And that's it, the basket's completed. Happy Valentine's Day, my loves. Make sure to spread love, whether it's to your significant other, to your family, to your friends, no matter what it is, and especially, most importantly, to yourself. I love you all, and I hope you have an amazing day, night, evening, whatever time zone is for you. And I'll see all of you in the next one. Bye! I got a balloon. Pink, pink, pink. Can we do 2? Can we do 2? No, we can't do 2. I love you. I saved you. Don't worry. I got this. Okay, they're falling.